My dear students and parents, in the previous video, we discussed how to find the number of moles from the given mass. In this video, we are going to find the number of moles from the given number of atoms. By God's grace, my educational videos are available in YouTube to 9th CBSE, 10th CBSE, plus 1 CBSE, plus 2 CBSE, NEET and IIT students in the subjects mathematics, physics, chemistry, zoology and botany in English language. We are going to see the sum example 3.32 in the chapter atoms and molecules in the subject chemistry in science to the 9th CBSE students. It is also very useful to 10th CBSE, plus 1 CBSE and plus 2 CBSE students. Let us discuss the sum. Calculate the number of moles for the following: 12.044 into 10 to the power of 23 number of helium atoms. Finding mole from number of particles. Before doing the sum, we should know some relations. If the mole is expressed in terms of mass, 1 mole contains 1 molar mass of particles. The particles may be atoms, molecules or ions, etc. The molar mass is expressed in gram. If 1 mole is expressed in terms of number of atoms or number of molecules or number of ions, etc., 1 mole contains 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 number of atoms or number of molecules or number of ions, etc. We know that if two data are equal to the same data, those two data will be equal. Here, 1 molar mass is equal to 1 mole. The another data 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 number of atoms or molecules or ions, etc. is equal to 1 mole. So these two data are equal to the same 1 mole, so that these data can be equated. By equating these two data, we are writing 1 molar mass contains the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 number of atoms or number of molecules or number of ions, etc. From the first equation, what can we find? We can find if the number of mole is given, we can find the mass. If the mass is given, we can find the number of moles. From the second equation, if the mole is given, we can find the number of atoms or number of molecules or number of ions, etc. If the number of atoms or molecules or ions are given, we can find the number of moles. What is the use of third equation? The use of third equation is, if the mass is given, we can find the number of atoms or number of molecules or number of ions, etc. If the number of atoms or molecules or ions, etc. are given, we can find the mass. In this sum, they have given the number of helium atoms as 12.044 into 10 to the power of 23. They are asking to find the number of moles contained in this 12.044 into 10 to the power of 23 number of helium atoms. So which equation we can select? Of these three, we can select the equation 2, because the equation 2 relates the number of moles and the number of atoms. So how can we write 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 number of helium atoms, that is He, equal to 1 mole. But they are not given the number of atoms as 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. They are given the number of helium atoms as 12.044 into 10 to the power of 23. Therefore, 12.044 into 10 to the power of 23 number of helium atoms equal to how many moles? On seeing these two equations, we understand that in the first equation, the number of mole and the number of atoms have been provided. That is, the two data have been supplied. In the second equation, the number of atoms is given. They are asking the number of moles contained in that number of atoms, that is helium atoms. How can we find? First of all, we should convert the first equation into a fraction. The data which is to be found is to be decided first. In this sum, they are asking to find the number of moles, not the number of atoms of helium atom, so that the number of moles of the helium atom should be written in the numerator. Its relation, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 number of atoms, should be written in the denominator. What is the meaning of this fraction? If the number of helium atom is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23, the number of moles of the helium atom is 1. Here, the number of helium atoms is not provided as 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. They have given the numbers of helium atom as 12.044 into 10 to the power of 23. Therefore, if the number of helium atom is 12.044 into 10 to the power of 23. If we remove the words, we will get 12.044 into 10 to the power of 23 by 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. If we simplify, we will get the number of moles as 2. Therefore, the number of moles contained in the given 12.044 into 10 to the power of 23 numbers of helium atom is 2 moles. My dear students, if this video is really beneficial to you, you can share this video with your friends, classmates and relatives. You can also subscribe my channel.